Unlock the power of your Kajabi website by transforming its built-in blog into a lead-generating powerhouse and authority-building platform. Throughout this quick 90-second guide, we'll show you how to craft compelling content, attract eager visitors, and seamlessly connect your blog to your Kajabi courses and offers, boosting your entire online presence. First, let's dive into creating your first blog post. Navigate to the blog tab in your Kajabi dashboard. Then click on New Post. This is where the magic begins, crafting content that resonates with your ideal audience. You'll see a familiar editor start with a captivating title, then populate the content area with truly valuable insights. Don't forget to organize your posts with relevant categories and tags. This helps visitors find your content and tells search engines what you're all about. To ensure your content gets discovered, we need to optimize for search engines. Click on the SEO tab for your post. Craft a compelling SEO title and a concise SEO description that includes your primary keywords. This is what appears in search results, so make it count. Building a community is key. Scroll down to the comments section. Enable comments to allow your audience to engage, ask questions, and share their thoughts. Responding to comments not only fosters loyalty, but also provides valuable feedback for future content ideas. Now, let's connect your blog to your Kajabi offers within your blog post editor. You can easily add links back to your sales pages, landing pages, or even specific course modules. Use clear calls to action, like learn more about this course, or download our free guide. Strategically place your blog posts where your audience can easily find them. Consider creating a dedicated blog page on your Kajabi site, or featuring recent posts directly on your homepage. Think of your blog as the central hub for attracting new visitors and nurturing them into leads. By consistently publishing valuable content and leveraging these simple Kajabi tools, you'll establish yourself as an authority, attract more visitors, and drive conversions. Start building your online presence with Kajabi's powerful blogging platform today.